Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Reshma and this video is brought to you by Get Right Property, your most trusted real estate platform. And today we are exploring Ventara Residences, developed by Amberstone Properties, which is located in Bangalore off Sarjapur Road. Before we get in detail about this project, let me help you understand about Get Right Property. Get Right Property is your advisory real estate platform which holds 8 years of experience. Get Right Property is here to help you out, advise you and guide you to choose the right property which matches your requirement or which is the best deal out there. All this is under zero brokerage. That means it gives you a direct builder pricing with no hidden cost. And also, if you book through us, you get a complimentary gift as an iPhone. In this project, we'll cover project overview, why this project, location, configuration, amenities, specification, who is this for, developer credibility, investment potential. Ventara Residences is an ultra premium high-rise development which is spread across 8 acres, and this project consists 4 towers with an elevation of 1 basement plus ground plus 29 floors on top of it, and also it has 456 units. What really stands out about this project is it is a low density project which has 4 units per floor. Every home is a corner unit, no common walls, and you get maximum privacy as well. And the best part about this project is it has 80% of open space which ensures natural light and ventilation and peaceful living environment. For RERA details, construction status and inventory updates, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. This project is located in Bangalore off Sarjapur Road, which has great connectivity to Vartur, ORR, Electronic City as well. And also, if you're a working professional, then IT hubs like RGA Tech Park, Prestige Tech Park, Salarpuria Soft Zone is just close by this location. And also, if you have kids, then you don't have to worry about top schools. Top schools like National Public School, Oak Ridge International School, the International School Bangalore, and Greenwood International School is just close by this location. And also, you don't have to worry about hospitals. Hospitals like Swastik Hospital, Cloud9 Hospital, and Bellandur Hospital is just close by this location. And also, if you're someone who shops often, then for a mall, Nexus Mall and D-Mart is just close by this location. And also, if you're someone who travels through metro, then upcoming metro, which is Red Line from Sarjapur Circle to Hebbal, is just nearby this location. For commute analysis or to check the maps of school, hospitals, airport, railway station, hotel, anything you wish to, you can simply explore www.getrightproperty.com right now. Ventara Residences offers 3 BHK plus 3 toilets, which is 1943 square feet, and 4 BHK plus 3 toilets, which is 2094 square feet. 4 BHK plus 4 toilets is 2674 square feet. If you want to know more about the configuration or a complete list of configuration, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Plans may change, you may move abroad, you may get a better investment plan, or you may get any financial needs. Are you ready to face this all alone after purchasing the property? Don't worry, Get Right Property is here to help you beyond the purchase as well. Everyone will help you when you're buying the property, but no one will help you after purchasing the property. But Get Right Property will help you beyond the purchase as well. If you're moving abroad, if you want to rent your property, then Get Right Property will help you even in that situation. And if you want to resell it, then Get Right Property will be there with you even in that situation as well. So why wait? Simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Now let's move forward with a miniature. Right here you can see a very thoughtfully and beautifully designed miniature. This road, you can see this road is a Gunjur road connecting to this project. And the main important point is this project is right opposite to Godrej 24. And moving forward with that, let's move forward with the entry and exit of this project. Right here you can see your first entry and exit of this project. Moving forward with that, this will be your entry and exit too. There are 2 entry and exit in this project. And moving forward with that, right here you can see entry towards the basement as well. And talking about exit, right here in this section you can see the exit towards this basement. Now let's move forward with the towers. This project offers 4 towers, which is Tower A. Tower A is right in front here. Behind that you will find Tower B, and right opposite to that in the front you will find your Tower C, and behind that you will find your Tower D, with an elevation of 1 basement plus ground plus on top 29 floors. Talking about towers, Tower A and D offers you 4 BHK and Tower B and C offers you 3 BHK. And the best part about this project is right here in the middle you will find a spacious relaxation area within this tower. And also moving forward with that, this Tower A and B also has a spacious garden area which is spread across greenery, and let me tell you, it also has another spacious area. That means each tower has its own designed greenery space, and right opposite to that you will find a kids play area in the middle of C and D tower. Moving forward with the clubhouse, right here you can see a spacious and beautifully designed clubhouse. This is spread across 38,000 square feet with an elevation of ground plus 3 floors. Move forward with the amenities. Right here you can see your pet park. If you have pets, you don't have to take them outside this project, outside the premises. You can take them within this project as well. Moving forward with that, right here you can see a very pretty recharge pond. And moving forward with that, right here you can find a outdoor board game as well. And moving forward with that, this is your pickleball court. Right after your board game you will find a pickleball court. And the best part about this project, let me tell you, it has 1 acre mini forest within this project as well, and it has a walking deck as well in this forest. Moving forward with that, to your clubhouse you will find a swimming pool, a very wide swimming pool which you get a adults pool and kids pool as well. Moving forward with that, right in the middle you will find your kids play area as well. And moving forward with that, within this forest you will find a very beautifully designed Ganesha temple. If you're someone who wants to start your day going to the temple, then this is definitely a right option for you. And moving forward with that, this is another kids play area. It is so wide enough that many kids can join together, get together and play right within this project. Moving forward with that, you will find a guest parking area after your towers. Right in front of your towers you can find a wide space for parking area as well, and also you can find a parking area here as well. Right after your Tower B, right beside your Tower B, you will find your multi-purpose court, and right after that you will find your basketball court. You can see a small space which is your cricket pitch. Right after your multi-purpose court you will find your cricket pitch as well. Right now this project is under construction, but the possession timeline is April 2028. What really stands out about this project is their amenities. This project offers 60 plus amenities overall. To know more about complete list of amenities, simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. If you're someone who's planning to rent, resale or even buy the property, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. If you're someone who's planning to resale, and if you're someone who prefers renting it out, then list out your property details on our website. Our team will get back to you and help you in this process. If you are someone who don't have time to do all of these things, then simply call us to the given number. Our team will get back to you and do it on your behalf. Why wait when everything is so convenient to you? Then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Now let's move forward with a spaciously designed model flat which is 4 BHK with 3 toilets, which is 2094 square feet. Now let's move forward with a foyer area. Right here is your foyer area. It looks so premium enough, And moving forward with that, this is your spacious living area. You can see how spacious it looks. It is so spacious that you can set up any seater sofa right here, L-seater, 3-seater, 2-seater, anything you can set up. And right opposite to that, you will find your entertainment zone. This is your entertainment area, and you can see how spacious it looks. It is so premium enough and looks so luxurious. If you're someone who wants to live in a luxurious living space, then this is definitely a right option for you. Moving forward with that, this is your dining area. Right here is your dining area. It looks so spacious enough that you can set up a 4-seater or 6-seater dining table right here, and beside that you will find a space to set up your interiors, any interiors you wish to set up right here. And moving forward with that, with the best part about this flat is the sit out area. This is your sit out area. It looks so premium, calm and spacious enough within this sit out area. If you have cousins, friends, then you can spend some time with them right here. And moving forward with that, this is your kitchen. This will be your kitchen. You can see how spacious enough, and it looks so premium enough. If you're someone who loves to cook in a spacious space, who doesn't want any disturbance when you're cooking, then this is definitely a right option for you. This here is a space to set up any interiors you wish to set up, an oven, a refrigerator, anything you wish to set up. And let me tell you, you get a utility area within this, and it is so spacious enough that you can set up a laundry or a dishwasher. And the best part, you get French windows in this kitchen, within this kitchen as well, for your natural light and ventilation as well. Moving forward with that, this is your kids room. It looks so pretty and calm enough. You can set up a bed, and also you can set up a study table within this room as well. You also get French windows for your natural light and ventilation, and also a space to set up your closet. If you have kids, then you have to definitely choose this flat. Moving forward with this will be your master bedroom. Right here is your master bedroom. Let me tell you, the best part about this room is you get premium wooden flooring in this room. Isn't that amazing? And it looks so premium enough. And let me tell you, it is so spacious that you can set up a king size bed, queen size bed, anything you wish to set up. And also the best part is you also get a space for your entertainment zone as well. And also another best part about this room is you get wide French windows for your natural light and ventilation. If you're someone who loves to be in a room filled with natural light, then this is definitely a right option for you. And let me tell you, you get a spacious enough space to set up your closet right here. And this room is so spacious that you can set up any interiors you wish to set up in this room. Moving forward with that, also you can set up a dressing table right here. And also, last but not the least, this will be your washroom. You get a sink and shower provided within this room. Let me tell you, the other interiors will not be provided, like the glass will not be provided for you. Only the sink and the shower will be provided within this project. And moving forward with that, this here is your another room. This is your bedroom 2. Right here is your bedroom 2. It looks so premium and so spacious enough that looks so beautiful, and it is thoughtfully designed. You can set up any bed you wish to set up, king size bed or queen size bed. And also you get space to set up a study table or a dressing table. You get space to set up any interiors you wish to set up, and also a wide space to set up your closet. If you're someone who has loads of clothes and you love to design, then this is definitely a right option for you. And it comes with an attached washroom as well in this room. And the best part about this project is you also get a balcony within this room. It looks so premium, and let me tell you, it looks so cute enough. If you have guests, if you have guests at home, then they will definitely love the space. They can sit here and chill around without any disturbance, let me tell you, without any disturbance. And moving forward with that, right opposite to that, you will find a common washroom as well in this flat, and another room. This will be your bedroom 4. This is bedroom 4, and it is so spacious enough that you can set up any bed you wish to set up here, and also a wide enough closet, and also any small interiors you wish to set up right here. Also, you can set up a dressing table or a study table right here, and you get windows, wide enough French windows right here. Let me tell you, it is 80% soundproof. That means there is no disturbance and you get complete privacy. You can just see that it looks so premium and spacious enough. I personally loved this model flat, and in this way we come to an end of this model flat. This project is built on My1 construction for durability. In this project you get 11 feet floor height as well, and also the best part is it has no common walls. You get corner units in every home, and also the best part about this project is it has Vastu compliant homes as well with premium fittings as well. To know more about specification, or if you need a complete list of specification, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Ventara Residences is developed by Amberstone Properties, which holds 12 plus years of experience and 3 upcoming projects and 5 ongoing projects. And the developer is known for his on-time delivery, quality construction and scientific planning approach as well. Now you must be wondering what would be the price range of this spacious and thoughtfully designed project. Don't worry, it's not that expensive. 3 BHK plus 3 toilets is at just 1.65 CR onwards, and 4 BHK plus 3 toilets is at just 1.90 CR onwards, and 4 BHK plus 4 toilets is at just 2.54 CR onwards. This project works best for end user, luxury living, long-term holders. If you're someone who wants to hold your property for a longer period, then this is definitely a right option for you. And also it is a premium asset creation as well. This project is best for IT professionals working in Whitefield, Bengaluru and ORR, and families looking for a luxury living, end users who are looking for a high-rise project, and also this is best for long-term investors as well. If you are confused between 2 or 3 projects, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Shortlist them and start analyzing. If you need a clear analysis, then simply call us to the given number. Our team will get back to you and help you through this process. And let me tell you, we offer this as one-on-one free advisory session, which can be done online, offline, or at your own convenience. Why wait when everything is under one umbrella? Simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Ventara is not just another apartment project. It is a well combination of luxury, design, nature and long-term value. And let me tell you, if you're someone who doesn't want to run around and check different properties, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. We will help you to choose the right property at the right time at your own convenience. And also do check us out on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Do like, share and comment. And also if you have any project to review, do drop us a comment and we'll do it for you. As we come to an end of this project, I would like to thank Ms. Gayatri and Mr. Arjun for making this walkthrough possible. And also I would like to thank the team and staff of Ventara and also the builder for giving me this opportunity. I'm your host Reshma, signing off.